3, 2, 1.
व्हाट इज इट? क्या है?
आईपीएल के 2 महीने के लिए देखो हम फैंस को कैसे डिवाइड करता है।
डॉग्स देखे 2 टाइप्स के डॉग्स होते हैं।
एलएसजी लेट्स गो।
एलएसजी को कुत्ता बोल के तो कुत्ते की बेइज्जती करते हैं।
ये सब देख के ऐसे लगता है कि गलती ना हम बाकी 9 टीम्स का है, इन्हें जीतने नहीं देना चाहिए।
स्ट्रगल करने में और 18 महीने स्ट्रगल करने में ना बहुत फर्क होता है।
इट वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग।
No, that is what. Thank God you think it wasn't.
जो टीम 260 डिफेंड नहीं कर सकती वो क्या ही खेलेगी।
Match started at 7:30. The final ended at 7:50.
Fuck you bro.
Hello, and welcome back to episode 11 of Overthrow, brought to you by Cover Drive. मैं हूँ आपका host, दोस्त with the most, चिन्मय शर्मा, aka Scubachino. IPL खत्म हो गया है, and it has been fantastic. What a privilege to have hosted this show. And guys, before I get to the guests and the hosts and etc., thank you for keeping the lights on here. आप लोग आते हो, you all give your a lot of critics, a lot of love, and you help keep the lights on. So keep liking, sharing, subscribing, help the algorithm, help me. I have an addiction to buying expensive watches, and the more you guys watch, the more I can feed my. But anyways, we get on with the show. As always, pehli baat to I want to thank and give lots of love to the USP of the show, our live audience. Let's go, boys! Couple of new faces and one sad one. We'll get to him in a bit. And listen, आज अपने panel play, we've got 3 S's and back-to-back episodes, back-to-back girl energy. We've got our reckoning rock star, Shantanu. What's up, bro?
I'm good. How are you, Chiru?
Oh, it's good to see you, brother. And with you, there's the lovely Simran and Sahil. What's up, guys?
What's up? What's
Amazing.
up?
Can I assume all 3 MI fans?
Yep,
के क्या fan?
I am.
By the way, Chino, आप कुछ भूल रहे हो?
नहीं पागल है, मैं नहीं भूला हूँ. अच्छा, you've already got the batter padded up. He's already padded up. All right, guys. Before you start, let me just give a quick. Unless, just in case you guys missed the last episode.
Okay, if Rajasthan wins the IPL, I'll shave off my head.
Show me your hands. How much hair do you have in your hands? Chal, 2 waxing strips. So without further ado, I'm going to shut up. We're all waiting and watching.
Oh my God!
Alright, guys, do not try this at home unless you're a girl, I guess.
सीधा रख.
अभी मैं नर्वस हूँ.
That was all.
3, 2, 1.
व्हाट इज इट? क्या है?
लगा है. निकाल जल्दी निकाल. दूसरा भी निकाल.
2 1.
ये तो कुछ मजा नहीं है.
Bro, listen, while I talk to my guest, can we do 2 on your legs just to see how bad it is?
No.
But shit, bro, that's such an anticlimactic, shitty start to the episode. Fuck, I was so excited. Anyways, guys.
This was like the IPL final. Like we expected high scoring runs. We expected something to happen, but then nothing happened. GT fans? No GT fans here.
No, and no GT fans anywhere.
Okay,
I
as expected.
think. Anywhere. But Sai, listen, bro, you're the first time on the show. Yeah, what was your? I unfortunately missed the IPL final. मैं एक ball नहीं देखा. Unfortunately, and I'm actually not very sad about it.
नहीं, अच्छा हुआ नहीं
That's
देखा.
fortunate, I think.
That's fortunate.
आपका दिन अच्छा गया होगा.
Who do you feel worse for, bro? Do you feel worse for Siraj or Mbappe? Seeing both of them seeing their ex teams winning back-to-back, one Champions League and one the IPL.
आई थिंक ज्यादा बुरा सिराज के लिए ही लग रहा होगा. वो देख रहा है विराट कोहली मार रहा है बट ठीक है चलता है. मतलब जीटी फाइनल में पहुंचा वही उनके लिए बड़ी बात थी. तो
3 finals in 6 years is fantastic for
बट
them.
दिस सीजन जीटी फाइनल मतलब क्या मिडल ऑर्डर भी नहीं था क्या पता नहीं यार. आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग अ बेटर फाइनल्स.
What was your take on the final, bro? Because I hear it was one of the worst finals ever. I mean, I saw the highlights, so it's tough to judge.
It was actually क्योंकि मुझे वो स्टीरियोटाइप तोड़ना था कि क्वालिफायर 1 जीत के फाइनल जीतने वाला. So that's why I was really rooting for RR. लेकिन जैसे RR वाले अचानक से गायब हो जाते हैं वैसे यहाँ पे भी
अचानक से गायब हो जाते हैं.
out of nowhere man. RR गए. So yeah, it was okay.
But listen, I have a list for you guys, and let's talk about it. Is all of the records that Vaibhav Suryavanshi has broken in his second IPL season ever. Let me just read them out to you. The easy ones first. Most sixes, 72. He broke Chris Gale's record of 59, which is
Most
ridiculous at the age of him. Youngest orange cap holder at the tender age of 15 years and 65 days. I don't know how true that is, but I'll take your word for it. Most power play runs by an individual in an IPL season, 521, broke Warner's record of 467.
My God.
I think we should just talk about him only, no?
Yeah.
Please, guys.
Yeah, because he was one of the top talking points in this year IPL because nobody saw it coming. Like even when he played last year, we all know Vaibhav Suryavanshi for now like 2-3 years now. But this year also, we didn't expect him to play like this. And he smashed record of somebody like David Warner. I mean, that
And
man.
Andre Russell, and Chris Gayle.
And I am sure Virat Kohli and so many others. And what was most shocking was that, you know, we have seen batsmen doing it before. We have seen one batsman pulling it for their team. We have seen Virat Kohli doing it. My favorite ABD Villiers. वो last 5-6 overs में भी आता था. He used to... Why?
Always take his name.
Yeah, smash it. Like he knows how to play. He can come in the middle of overs, opening last 5-6 overs. ABD knew how to like just anchor the game. Then we had David Warner doing it in 2016, where he was the one who actually led the team to the trophy. But Vaibhav Suryavanshi doing all of this, being
How much did you
uncapped.
laugh when RR bought him? All the kid jokes and all that.
Yeah, and then people were like,
I laughed. I am not gonna lie.
I thought it was a PR stunt. to be
I
very
thought
honest.
it's a marketing gimmick
Yeah,
too.
sorry,
For
seriously.
sure.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah, yeah.
मैं हंसा हूँ उसके ऊपर, and that little kid from Bihar has just shut us all up.
And exactly, it doesn't matter if he's 15, 17, 21, 25. What he
Yeah.
has done, like the records speak for himself.
अगर इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर्स उसके पास आके फोटो निकालते हैं और
Justin Langer, no?
बोलते हैं कि I'm gonna cherish this photo forever. बटलर, सॉल्ट, कोहली आया यार. Come on, I mean, come on. और क्या
Justin
चाहिए
Langer ने
यार?
कितना अच्छा लिखा भी था ना उसके
yeah,
लिए,
yeah.
and he
और वो
compared
कैप
other
पहन के
teams.
भी गया था आई थिंक कोई एक मैच में विराट कोहली का साइंड कैप.
Sign.
No way. I didn't see
Yeah,
this.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
उसने साइन दिया. बट आई थिंक कि आईपीएल के 2 महीने के लिए देखो हम फैंस को कैसे डिवाइड करता है. वैभव सूर्यवंशी ने सिंगल हैंडेडली यूनाइट कर दिया यार. इट्स लाइक जो आरआर फैंस नहीं भी है दे वर हैप्पी फॉर वैभव. उसके 96 97 के लिए वी वर ऑल सेम टाइम पे
so
हार्ट
sad,
ब्रोकन
so sad,
एक्सेप्ट
exactly.
प्रफुल हिंगे ऑफ कोर्स.
Look, let's talk about what happened post the match. We have to, because it is abysmal to see just cricket taking such a and back-to-back years. Yeah, last year there were deaths that happened, and then just seeing. What was your favorite part of the riots?
No,
There's a couple of really funny things that happened that I cracked up on, and most of it was just really sad. But there's one video of a guy dancing on the road topless, और उसको पता नहीं है उसके 2 फुट पीछे पुलिस वाला खड़ा है, और वो ऐसे और फिर उसको पड़ती है, and he just runs away. That's the funny side of it. But listen, vandalizing. Why? Do you think it's a state or a city that's so frustrated कि जब उन्हें कुछ मिला है, they don't know how to celebrate it?
I do not like that यार. वो
Shit,
मतलब
but why do you think it's like I can't यार अपनी टीम जीती है
हाँ.
तो गुस्सा क्यों है?
एक्चुअली आई थिंक दे आर ट्राइंग टू प्रूव अ पॉइंट समहाउ. मतलब वो जो पीछे येलो वाला बैठा है ना, आई थिंक वो
They are trying to prove a
It's
point
not
how
your
illiterate
mistake.
they are.
हाँ, मतलब वो लोग का आई थिंक चिनो वो लोग का इतना टॉक्सिक हो गया ना, वो नो हेट नथिंग पर्सनल, बट इतना टॉक्सिक हो गया कि दे आर पूरा टाइम दे आर ट्राइंग टू प्रूव कि वो 5-5 करते रहते थे सीएसके वाले. तो ट्रॉफी लेस, तुमसे ज्यादा बाल तो राजू के बाल है हेड ट्रॉफी से ज्यादा. सो वो जो कुछ भी होता था, तो आई थिंक दे आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू प्रूव अ पॉइंट.
नहीं उनको क्या लगता है, आरसीबी फैंस को क्या लगता है कि भाई वो खुद विराट कोहली है और उनको एग्रेशन है ना, जैसे एग्रेशन विराट कोहली फील्ड पे दिखाता है, तो उनको ऐसा है कि हम लोग एग्रेशन गाड़ी तोड़ के दिखाएंगे, किसी का कुछ बर्बाद करके दिखाएंगे. तो उनके माइंड में वही है.
एट द एंड ऑफ द डे ये इंडियन प्रीमियर लीग है, आप
तो वही भूल
इंडियंस को
जाते हैं,
रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हो यार.
तो वही तो भूल जाते हैं ना.
एक बेचारा सैड, मैंने एक ऑटो वाले का वीडियो देखा कि यार वो बोला कि वो जीती है, मैंने क्या किया है, मेरा नुकसान हुआ ना यार. तो इतना भी नहीं करना चाहिए यार.
बस के कांच तोड़े, ट्रक के कांच तोड़े, मतलब अभी वो उनको तो पता है अगर भीड़ में आएंगे तो कोई कुछ नहीं करेगा, लेकिन अगर कोई अकेला आएगा तो उनको मालूम है वो तो पहले ही जाएंगे, तो फिर वही बात हो गई.
वो थोड़ा सैड है.
कैसा है ना, अभी डॉग्स देखे 2 टाइप्स के डॉग्स होते हैं, एक पालतू डॉग रहते हैं और एक मतलब सड़क चाप.
जंगली.
तो ये उन लोग वो है
The jungly,
जो हाँ
the
जंगली
parkas.
लोग है. वो पालतू वाले अच्छे रहते, और ये जो सड़क वाले रहते हैं ना उन लोग वो है
तो
वो
क्यों नहीं
like
गए
है।
फाइनल्स? हाँ हराते ना, फिर नहीं होता ना ये।
तो पालतू पालतू कुत्ते कौन से फैंस हैं?
पालती जो समझदार रहते हैं जो अच्छे रहते हैं वो रहते हैं।
LSG लेट्स गो।
LSG को कुत्ता बोल के तुम लोग कुत्ते की बेइज्जती कर रहे हो।
Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. As an RCB fan जब आप देखते हो कि यार ये मेरे फेलो फैंस हैं और ये लोग तोड़फोड़ कर रहे हैं, कांचे तोड़ रहे हैं, leching at women, is that something that makes you just detest your club in a certain way?
That feeling is obviously there, but the thing is, the people who are mostly involved in this, they are the ones who are so much emoting or emotionally connected to this team that they feel the only way to show it is just going on full road rage. And I do not in any way support it, or I don't want to be connected with that. But at the same time, I understand these are the local fans. And in South India, majority, like even the CSK fans and all, they have also done this, but it's not been covered enough.
ब्रो एक ही बात
have-
बोलूंगा, एक ही
हाँ.
बात बोलूंगा, लास्ट ईयर 8-9 लोग घर पे नहीं गए वापस। सो दैट इज द
हाँ,
दैट्स
after
वेरी
last
सैड।
year's tragedy.
I cannot defend you on
Never,
this.
that has never happened.
I don't
And
think
since he's talking
So
about
CSK has won. Yeah, please go on. Five trophies that I've never.
कभी नहीं
हाँ,
होगा सच्ची में।
कभी सुना ही नहीं है।
5 trophies. I understand.
So you want us to wait for you to win 5 trophies? तो ऐसा ना
just to
हो।
like
But one thing which we saw this time, that everyone was so bored of the IPL that RCB was going to do it again. वो इतना लेवल पे भी इतना सेलिब्रेशन हुआ नहीं है इस बार का compared to the last year.
No, there's no
so I guess
celebration.
it will
this
only go
wasn't
down
celebration.
eventually.
Exactly.
Because this happens in other sports, like in football. So PSG won the other night, so they vandalized Paris on the night.
But that shouldn't
Yeah.
be your example.
Exactly.
हाँ, you were like treating
कहीं
it
ना
as an
कहीं
excuse.
बट चीनू कहीं ना कहीं आपको
Excuse.
ये नहीं लगता कि द इंडियन प्रीमियर लीग ट्राइंग टू डू इट ऑन द लेवल ऑफ फुटबॉल एज वेल? लाइक प्रीमियर लीग इज देयर एग्जांपल फॉर ट्राइंग दिस आउट. इवेंचुअली हम ये
PSG
देखेंगे.
को छोड़ के I have not heard this in a Madrid or
नहीं
at
नहीं
a
होता है
Munich.
होता है. इट्स जस्ट दैट दे बैन देयर फैंस.
Bro,
वो इवेंचुअली हमें
Paris
भी
is on
करना पड़ेगा.
fire. I know somebody who's in Paris right now and she was sending me videos. Paris is burning. Madrid, like ultras do this, but they don't vandalize.
Yes.
Like
So important
Paris
step
and
यही है कि
Bangalore.
the Karnataka Cricket Association, they have to ban these sections of fans or the fan groups or communities which are doing it, obviously, and then we can bring it back. Because अगर ये escalate होते गया ना, तो ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि जो फुटबॉल का कल्चर बाहर है वैसा इंडियन प्रीमियर लीग भी जनरेट कर लेगा, क्योंकि हमारे भी फैन बेस और कम्युनिटीज बड़े हैं.
But
But not,
government.
government-
Having this conversation before, I was having this conversation with Shantanu comparing football. Bro, football में ये 150 plus years से is happening in multiple countries, so they know what to do where. You still have the English fans
we
who
are
go berserk during the
we are
World
in a
Cup.
nascent stage. It's been only 20 years since the IPL has come. Not even 20, I guess 17, 18, I guess. Yeah.
19.
2008 में स्टार्ट हुआ था.
Yes,
Yeah, 20
yeah.
होगा 2 साल में.
So you think if you ban and guys jump in on this, यार,
I want to hear his point of view.
who? Sorry, I can't see you guys. So just call me out.
As he said, the Karnataka State Cricket Association should intervene in this. Not everything is government's responsibility. We as citizens can be morally responsible for our actions. And one more point he made, that was about being emotionally connected to team. MI fans, CSK fans, KKR fans, everyone is emotionally connected to the team. Everyone has won. But vandalizing public property, this year तो इन्होंने हद कर दी. I saw people they were climbing on ambulances and all. That is not a way of celebration.
saw that, bro.
That is just a way of proving how illiterate you can be and how down you can go.
ये सब देख के ऐसा लगता है कि गलती ना हम बाकी 9 टीम्स का है, इन्हें जीतने नहीं देना चाहिए. सीरियसली, क्योंकि नहीं होगा इनसे यार.
blaming Mr. Goenka only, bro.
Seriously, man.
In doubt, blame him. It's just that.
It is very sad.
No, it is very.
तो अभी और 1 साल लगेगा करेक्ट करने को. मेगा ऑक्शन आएंगे तो थिंक 9 टीम्स कैसे लाने हमें नीचे. वी आर वेटिंग.
Bro,
अरे
nobody
आप
cares, you
लोग
know, right?
सोचो कि कैसे ऐसे behave
Nobody
नहीं
cares.
करना है.
किसी को फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है
Yeah,
भाई.
by the way, somehow RCB fans को लगता है कि हम लोग इनसिक्योर हो रहे हैं.
हाँ.
मैक्सिमम KKR हो सकता है भाई, हमारे पास
क्यों नहीं हम नहीं
3 का.
पहली बात तो मतलब 18 साल स्ट्रगल करने में और 18 महीने स्ट्रगल करने में ना बहुत फर्क होता है. तो हम लोगों को
My
कुछ
God.
तो हम लोगों
क्या
को कुछ
बात
फर्क
है.
नहीं पड़ रहा है कि भाई तुम लोग जीतो भाई. हम लोग भी खुश है. विराट कोहली के लिए हम लोग बहुत खुश है कि भाई उसका दूसरा IPL टाइटल. लेकिन जो तुम लोग को वही बात समझती नहीं कि हम लोग को तुम्हारे फैंस से प्रॉब्लम है, टीम से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है भाई.
Man, the way Hardik Pandya dropped his jersey, bro, I loved it.
यार
Cinema,
भाई.
cinema, the house.
like bro, अगर किसी को एग्जिट करना है एक टीम से, that is the way to do it. People are like,
क्या
agreed.
वीडियो
Cinema.
जर्सी किसके पास होगा यार वो
भाई चाहिए
आखिरी शायद
Open invitation, buddy. Whoever has a jersey, come on this show wearing that jersey. I would love to have you.
we'll have a auction as well, we'll bid. Yeah, let's go for sure bhai.
Man, do you see Hardik Pandya in an MI jersey next season?
I don't
I know,
know
I've asked you this
यार, I
question, you
don't
didn't
know, I
answer.
really don't know यार. I
You
hope
still think there's a
things
chance?
get better between MI and Hardik. I am hoping.
3 years, man. How much longer do you want to give?
यार लास्ट ईयर तो सेमीफाइनल में लेके आया ना वो.
But कैसे? We start again. See, Zel, we always start slow. लेकिन bro, the team doesn't look. I've been saying this since episode 1
yeah.
that there is just and यार इस पूरे audience इधर एक बंदा दिखा दो मुझे जो whose prediction was not MI in the top 4. Nobody.
Agreed.
From the experts to us guys to these boys. So. I
Nah,
still think
my
there's a chance.
unpopular opinion was MI will finish last. They finished 9th. They
You
disappointed
did,
me.
you did.
They disappointed me. They finished 9th, not 10th.
Asshole. Fuck you, bro. Guys, show of hands. How many of you all think Shubman Gill deserves a place back in the T20 setup? Anybody? Or you're happy with who we have?
चिनू भाई बात ये नहीं है कि मतलब शुभमन गिल डिजर्व करता है, बात ये है कि आप निकालोगे किसको, क्योंकि
हाँ,
ओपनिंग
so I'm saying,
स्पॉट्स बहुत
is there
ज्यादा बढ़
somebody
गया
you
है.
would replace or you cannot? Yeah, man, because our
Let's not go there.
That's okay.
Not right now.
So good luck, Shubman, to whatever's coming your way, man. You were amazing.
But do you think RCB अगर हारता
हाँ.
गिल ट्रॉफी जीतता तो चांसेस बढ़ जाते थोड़े
100%.
Right?
100%, bro.
बच गए भाई. Thanks.
100%.
Thank you
But
RCB.
who do you remove? Abhishek Sharma is having a tough time, but how do you remove him, bro?
एक का जगह हो रहा है शायद विकेट.
Ishan, Sanju?
अरे
360
3-6.
शायद.
Sorry. One of the many positives of this IPL is the youngsters जो उभर के बाहर आए हैं. तो इन सब में से मैं सूर्यवंशी को निकाल रहा हूँ, obviously because he's everyone's favorite. Who's the one that, yeah, this guy has a good future?
रघुवंशी.
एंक्रिश रघुवंशी.
बिकॉज एक चीज मैंने नोटिस की कि वो हमेशा अंडररेटेड था. मतलब उसकी कोई बात नहीं कर रहा था, उसकी कुछ हाइप नहीं हो रही, उसके कुछ हैशटैग्स नहीं चल रहे, लेकिन उसकी कंसिस्टेंसी एट द एज ऑफ 21 इट्स अनबिलीवेबल. हमने इंडिया का एक स्क्वाड देखा, इंडिया ए का स्क्वाड आया, एवरीवन वाज टॉकिंग कि ये क्यों नहीं, वो क्यों नहीं है. नोबडी इज इवन सेइंग कि ओडीआई में रघुवंशी क्यों नहीं है. लेकिन जो कंसिस्टेंसी, कीपिंग, लेट्स कीप इट असाइड कि वो चलो सेकेंडरी उसका फैक्टर है, लेकिन यार ही ऑलवेज डिलीवर्स यार, एंड एट दिस लेवल.
And after that run out, bro, to come back, it must have hurt him.
या वो आउट नहीं था, वी हैव ऑलरेडी टॉक्ड अबाउट इट.
You were on the episode.
या
Achha, you think it wasn't
No,
out, right?
it wasn't obstructing.
No, that is what. Thank God you think
Yeah,
it
nobody
wasn't
thinks-
out.
Nobody thought.
Except for the
The third umpire on the day.
on the day when it mattered the most. But
For you
even
guys,
I
so
think
his
the same.
answer is
Yeah,
Raghuvanshi.
even
Who was your standout youngster? Not one of the Punjab boys.
प्रियांश यादव, प्रभ सिमरन का तो नाम ले ही लिया ना तुमने.
इसमें से
Okay,
कौन सा
Yeah,
अच्छा लगा
Who
तुम्हें?
was your favorite, most standout youngster?
आई थिंक प्रियांश आर्या वुड बी
Yeah, even
वन ऑफ देम.
for me was.
उसने पंजाब को जो स्टार्टिंग की 6 गेम में जो स्टार्ट दिया, आई थिंक देयर वाज वन मैच जहाँ पे किसने 260 मारा था और
डीसी.
डीसी हिट 260 और प्रियांश आर्या, प्रभ सिमरन, ये लोग खेल रहे कैसे, क्या क्रेजी गेम था यार. बट फिर उसके बाद एमआई भी 247 डिफेंड नहीं कर पाया. मैं उस दिन पे डीसी को बहुत गाली दिया कि जो टीम 260 डिफेंड नहीं कर सकती वो क्या ही खेलेगी. फिर उसके बाद की मैच में एमआई 245 डिफेंड नहीं कर पाई तो मैं चुप हो गया. फिर
biggest.
wait कर रहे बोलने.
Oh, sorry. Go on.
नो एज एन एमआई फैन मैं तो शाउट आउट दूंगा नमन धीर को, बिकॉज वो ऐसे एमआई टीम में था, लाइक ही इज बीन द ओनली शाइनिंग लाइट इन आवर टीम. और जब हमने पूरी टीम को लेकर, स्क्वाड को लेकर, हमने नमन धीर से ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशंस नहीं रखी. एक्सपेक्टेशंस थे ज़्यादा स्टार स्टडेड प्लेयर से कि ये आके परफॉर्म करेंगे, ऐसा नहीं, और वैसा हुआ नहीं अनफॉर्चुनेटली.
सरफराज खान क्यों बाहर गया, कोई बताएगा? अचानक से अलग प्लेयर खेल रहे हैं. उर्विल का भी गेट इट चलो, लेकिन सरफराज ने खराब किया ही नहीं था यार. आप उसे यूज कर रहे हो, फिर एक बीच में शिवम दुबे को इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर यूज कर रहे हो. नहीं यार, कम ऑन मैन. आई गेट इट, उसकी फील्डिंग वाज ऑफ, लेकिन कुछ भी रैंडम चीज है. अकील हुसैन को कैसे अचानक से बिठाया?
After MI's performance,
4-4 के बाद उसे बिठा दिया.
That's interesting.
Yeah, I think so. Stephen Fleming, if he took one or two calls correctly, we could have seen CSK taking that fourth place.
100%
क्योंकि
यार।
CSK was very much poised to get that fourth place के लिए तो काफी contention में थे, and we lost it from out of nowhere. तो I think so. It's been quite some time that Fleming obviously has done incredible work with all the CSK franchises, not only CSK. But I think so now it's time कि थोड़ा change तो आना पड़ेगा system में. We can't go the old school way. The game has moved way ahead.
This is a conspiracy theory, bro. So again, there's not much backing, but a lot of media outlets are talking about this. Now, this is the issue. I don't know if you guys have heard about the Etihad deal. Etihad has.
Achha, right. Yes, yes,
Now-
yes.
Do you have that on your
Because of
t-shirt?
that
No, this is the old one.
MS Dhoni's.
ठीक है, तो Etihad, I don't know if you know this, brother.
I saw it on Reddit.
ठीक है, तो Etihad has a deal with CSK that they are sponsoring them as long as MS is part of the squad. So he needs to be in the Etihad. Now, the problem is, I think if CSK, and this is again my little peep poop, is if CSK are looking to get new management in or new coaching staff in, they cannot function when MS has to be the center of attention. So maybe that is the reason why Stephen Fleming is not being able to express himself as a coach too much, and he has to circle around MS and this and that. And once that deal is over,
Yeah, and I
you
also
can-
heard that this was the last year of the Etihad deal. I think it was a 3-year deal.
Yes, absolutely.
And MS Dhoni को 3 साल पहले ही IPL से भी रिटायरमेंट ले लेना था. But I think for the CSK team, he was like मैं 3 साल और.
But that's crazy how cricket works. That हम लोग as fans इतने दूर से देख रहे हैं. It's क्योंकि हम लोग को लगता है यार ये क्यों खेल रहा है. Oh my God, बुढ़ा ये वो. अभी internally and we just judge. IPL अब खत्म हो गया है. As I think मुझे as an MI fan, I lost interest because MI were bad. But is it a general consensus that the IPL is not as gripping as it used to be in terms of memories and because again for me I am very selfish as a fan. मैं अकेले अपने मुंबई टीम का मैच देखता हूँ और अगर नहीं खेल रही अच्छी then दिल हट जाता है. As somebody, I know you guys watch a lot more cricket than I do. Has the brand value of the IPL depleted a little?
200%.
You guys all are with me, so it's not me alone.
Yes, yes.
I
It's
think
not the same.
okay. I think कि जो सबसे ज्यादा पॉइंट सब लोग बोल रहे हैं कि पिच एकदम ये लोग फ्लैट बना रहे हैं एंड एवरीथिंग. मुझे लगता है मेरा थोड़ा अलग टेक है. मुझे लगता है इट्स आरसीबी क्योंकि आई थिंक आरसीबी मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि आरसीबी इज द मोस्ट एंटरटेनिंग टीम. आरसीबी इतना हाइप करके जब भी गिरता था तो वो मजा आता था. अभी अचानक से आरसीबी जीत रहा है तो थोड़ा मजा नहीं आ रहा है. लोगों को हजम नहीं हो रहा है. हार्ड टू सॉलो फील हो रहा है.
ऐसा लग नहीं रहा है कि आईपीएल है ना. Because we're
लेकिन-
so accustomed to
क्योंकि
losing
आरसीबी
them.
को ऐसा रोस्ट करने का इतना वो हो गया ना कि लास्ट 2 साल से कर नहीं पाए तो थोड़ा बोरिंग लग रहा है. शिट यार. बट
रोज का बात नहीं लेकिन स्टिल मतलब हर जगह पे आप किसी भी फ्रेंड से भी बात करो ना, हर लोग बोल रहे हैं कि यार इस साल मजा नहीं आया. सो उसका कुछ तो है.
नहीं, लेकिन रोस्ट अभी भी हो सकता है. आरसीबी में कितना आता है मतलब अल्फाबेट्स 3 ट्रॉफीज कितने हैं 2.
सीएसके में
अच्छा,
कितना
अभी
लेटर
नया।
आता है? सीएसके में कितना लेटर आता है? 3 साल से भी ज्यादा नहीं जीते.
कॉन्वर्सेशन है ये.
My God.
एंड ऑल्सो कि इस साल प्लेऑफ्स में हमको इतने थ्रिलर मैचेस नहीं मिले जो कि हमको लास्ट ईयर मिलते थे. वो इसकी वजह से हम लोग को इंटरेस्टिंग जो फैक्टर रहता है कि एक क्लोज मैच देखने को मिलेगा. पूरा प्लेऑफ हम लोग ने वन साइडेड देखा कि ये वाला मैच था तो हमको पता था विनर कि कौन वाला. आरआर ने इतना पोस्ट कर दिया तो नहीं कर पाई है. सारे 5 ओवर के अंदर ही मैच फिनिश. जीटी के मैच में हमको जब गिली निकल गया तो वो मीम चल रहा था ना कि आईपीएल मैच स्टार्टेड एट 7:30, द फाइनल एंडेड एट 7:50. सो
और
ऐसे ही
वो
था.
फाइनल्स में कोई इंटेंसिटी भी नहीं था. लाइक सेकंड इनिंग्स में एटलीस्ट द इंटेंसिटी टू ओके वी कैन डिफेंड दिस लो स्कोर, इट वाजंट देयर. इट वाज लाइक
विराट वाज प्लेइंग फॉर फन.
नॉन स्ट्राइक.
विराट वाज प्लेइंग फॉर फन. वहाँ पर वो बैठ के ऐसे मस्त वो खेल रहा है. वो ही इज मेकिंग दैट फेसेस एंड ऑल. ही वाज जस्ट प्लेइंग फॉर फन. दैट
Can we end on this note everyone? इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर को रेस्ट इन पीस करते हैं क्या? वो ज्यादा फक कर रहा है मुझे लग रहा है.
I really like that point. I think we can talk about because the god of cricket, Sachin Tendulkar, said something about 3 rules that he wanted changed. Right? One of them being the impact player. Are we unanimous? Because see, again, playing devil's advocate, uska दूसरा side है that it gets you an extra dynamic to score more or kill it more. Are you guys okay with that, or do you think the impact player should be removed completely?
No, it should be removed. But I think so. He made another valid point. That was the best. The best bowler of your team should get 5 overs to bowl, and that is a good thing. Like सिंस क्रिकेट अभी T20 क्रिकेट तो पूरा बैट्समैन का गेम ही बन गया. सो जस्ट टू गिव दैट bowlers a little bit of edge and to make the games a little bit competitive, I think so that is the suggestion that should be taken into
What
account.
about the power play bit he said? The bowling.
Yeah, 4 and 2.
Yeah, that also.
I really
I think so.
like-
He is thinking from a bowler's point of view because
And we
this
should,
year,
yeah. पूरा ही
Somebody
balance
should
actually,
do it.
actually because this is not a batsman's game. So the suggestions वो हटा के वो जो second और third suggestion that were more constructive.
Let me just say, last time was the first time we had girl energy on the set, and the first time my panelists won the quiz.
First time.
That was the
ever.
first time, yeah.
Oh, it was 9-0 before Ayushri came
2
on.
seasons, like
No, this
combined,
season.
oh, just this season.
Yeah, and so these guys are
Ayushi.
geniuses.
Ayushi.
Ayushri killed it. I need, yeah. So today, simple guys. It's just 10 questions, 1 question each, 1 steal per team. So if you know, while I'm asking the question, you can steal it.
Okay.
2 points for that. But if you steal it and get it wrong, -1.
Yeah.
Right? All right, it's time, and these guys to my right, who you obviously can't see, who should be in frame right now. My hungry dogs had their first loss last episode, thanks to Ayushri and Drinks Break. So they will want to come back stronger, guys. Just a heads up, these guys are vicious dogs. So I'm going to start off with you, right? 10 questions, easy peasy, hopefully. Right. Start off with a fairly, okay. Which player has the most runs in totality, not in an individual, in the IPL finals?
Steel.
Yeah.
Suresh Raina.
Yeah, I think I felt it was very close, so I had to ask them.
249 runs है.
I'll take your word for it, buddy, because I was too into it. Damn, that was close. All right. First steal with the first question. That's 2-0. All right, guys. On to you. 3 bowlers have taken a 4-4 in the IPL finals. Can you name all 3?
One is Dwayne Bravo for sure. Dwayne
DJ
Bravo is there.
is one of them. Correct.
Second one is that.
But I'll tell you what, it's a tough question. I'm going to give you a hint. I actually asked a very similar question where the other bowler was involved last game about the finals, but it was very specific and you guys had got it right actually.
2009 के फाइनल में कोई तो एक है. One is I think so, that करणवीर सिंह करके एक है. कुंबले. ऐसे ही कुछ तो नाम है.
Karanveer Singh is the right answer as well. You have 1 more left.
Yeah. And someone 2009 के फाइनल में कोई तो है. अनिल कुंबले third one. 2009 finals because
Should be Kumble. Kumble it is.
Crazy. Crazy हो रहा है ये भाई.
Bro, are you sure you're not giving these guys the question? Because this is God level. This is some God level. Well done. Well done, buddy. Well done. Shit, 3-0. Yeah, bro. 3-0. All right.
Dude.
7 batters have scored 250, not 250, 250 plus scores in the final. So 7 batters have scored over 50 twice in the IPL finals. Only one of them has lost on both occasions. After scoring 50 plus. तो 2 बार वो 50 plus बनाया IPL final में और दोनों बार he was on the losing side. Name the batter, please.
मुंबई इंडियंस खेला है.
ऐसा इतने खेला है.
अरे this has to be GT. GT खेला ना? नहीं लेकिन गिल नहीं खेला. फाइनल्स में कौन था? CSK. RCB.
I need an answer, guys. Just throw me an answer.
can we answer?
क्या बोलो मेरे को तो ब्लैंक हूँ मैं.
Okay. They have refused to give an answer. Do you guys no points for this, obviously, but go on. give me-
वृद्धिमान साहा.
Absolutely right. It is Vriddhi Saha. Alright, it's still 3-0.
गलत लोग आ गए इस साइड पे.
Vaibhav Suryavanshi scored the fastest 100 of this season. Who got in 36 balls? Who got the second fastest?
स्टील हो गया अभी.
I heard steal first.
Ryan Riggleton.
Oh, the back! I'm back!
3-2 baby. 3-2.
I heard steal first. 3-2 baby. 3-2 is not. Oh no!
Let's go.
boys,
Chalo,
it's
nice.
not
Good
now.
job, Sahil.
Okay. Alright. Which wicketkeeper has the record for the most dismissals in a single IPL season? It was 26 dismissals, was the total number. Which wicketkeeper has the record of the most dismissals in an IPL season?
In a season.
In one season.
In whole IPL.
Correct. And the answer is 26 by this player.
Has to
और
be.
सेकंड बेस्ट कीपर कौन है? एक नाम बताओ.
नहीं कोई इंटरनेशनल है.
MS Dhoni.
MS Dhoni is the wrong answer. Do you boys know the right answer? Oh wow, first time you guys also don't know. No, it is actually this season. Joss Butler, 26 dismissals. What? Yeah, even I'm as bewildered as well.
Damn.
That's crazy. Okay, still 3-2. Back to you boys. Virat Kohli became the fourth batter to face the first ball of an IPL final twice. Name the other three batters. Okay, guys, your 10-second timer will start from now.
10, 9, 8,
Oh, is that Damn. Okay. Go
The
on.
other three, right?
Yes, 3. Virat Kohli is one.
One we are going with Murli Vijay. Second
Vijay is
one we
one.
are going with Venkatesh Iyer.
Okay.
And third one we are going with Sachin Tendulkar.
But again, this is very rare, but you have got all three wrong.
Sachin का wrong था.
Crazy. The correct answer, sorry? Shikhar Dhawan is also not on it. The right answer, bro, is Gautam Gambhir in 2012 and 14. Quinton de Kock in 2019 and 2020. And Vridhiman Saha.
ये सहा का क्या सीन है?
Wow, very rare time that my boys have got it wrong, but keeping it alive. It's still 3-2. Guys, it's still 3-2. All right. Rabada took home the purple cap, bagging the most wickets in IPL 2026. But do you know who leaked the most runs in IPL 2026?
Yes, we know. सबसे ज़्यादा runs इस सीजन में 500 से ज़्यादा runs.
अभी अपन बात भी किया इसका भाई.
सबसे ज़्यादा runs. 7, 6, Bumrah. 5, 4. Here we got an answer.
अर्शदीप सिंह.
Arshdeep Singh is unfortunately the incorrect answer. Do you boys know? So guys, my answer was in the question. It's Kagiso Rabada himself. He got the purple cap, but he also leaked the most number of
मैंने
runs.
बोला अपन ने बात किया इसके बारे में.
626 runs.
What the
How would we
hell?
know this?
Yeah,
यार?
even again, guys, I am
Good
very
question, यार. मेरे को कंबोजी याद आ रहा था यार.
Come on, bro, that would have been my answer as well. Why lie?
Oh my god.
That's crazy, right? Let's move on. It's still 3-2. It's still very much alive. In the first ever match of the IPL, RCB got all out for 82 in the pursuit of KKR's 222, who was the only batter from RCB to get into double digits.
Remember this? It's impossible.
Come on, we got two RCB boys in the house. I'm looking at you boys.
Rahul Dravid.
हो गया आंसर बोल दिया. आंसर बोल दिया.
Rahul Dravid is incorrect, unfortunately.
Thank God.
You
अपने पास
guys want to take a
chance
guess?
है.
You guys want to take a guess?
It is not a batter.
It is not a batter.
I'm 100% telling it is not a batter.
It is not a batter.
It's a bowler. So I'm gonna go Zahir Khan.
No, it is Parveen Kumar.
Shit! I was close.
Parveen
Shit!
Kumar.
Shit!
And he got 18 runs. Okay. Now a bonus, guys. Can you tell me? Chal, this one. First time ever, I'm gonna allow anybody to answer this and give you guys one.
Oh,
point
but
for it.
it's 3-2 now. We are still alive, no?
Yeah.
So this is bonus.
This is bonus.
अरे but wait, let's finish
Okay,
one.
chalo,
हाँ.
fair enough.
क्योंकि अभी 3-3 करेंगे फिर bonus. हाँ.
Okay, fair
Yeah,
enough.
अभी 3 all करते हैं. Yeah.
That's actually a much better idea. All right. Last question to tie things up, my friend. Last question. Which team has an IPL trophy, but their player never won a purple cap? Yes. Which team has an IPL trophy, but their player has never won a purple cap?
Yes. Yeah.
Go on.
Mumbai Indians.
And the only purple cap for the Mumbai Indians. The correct answer is KKR. But let me just say this: in the history of our episode so far, is the lowest scoring game, which means you guys have come really close. 1 single point, bro. That is crazy. Well done, boys. You guys have, as usual. Right, that about does things here in the studio. Very, very nail-biting quiz, and my God, that was fun. But please, guys, it means the world that you join us once a week and enjoy the hard work that we put in. So just keep watching. And subscribe to
Cover Drive!